Hi, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can update or install plugins or themes on epay.com. But before that, we need to understand the structure. epay.com is currently hosted on Amazon Web Service with two instances, Server 1 and Server 2. The files for it is hosted on github.com. So in order for us to change the files on GitHub, we need to have a copy or clone the repository in our local machine. Once we have a copy, we need to we just install or add the files, the plugin or themes into the local machine. Then git push the changes into the GitHub repository, and then git pull requests to server 1 and server 2 to reflect the changes on epay.com. Then you need to download GitHub Desktop. You can download GitHub Desktop on desktop.github.com. So once downloaded, you can sign in to your account. Of course, you need to have an account on github.com. Once you are signed in, you can now clone a repository to your local machine. The URL for it is github.com/edley-z/epay. So you can copy that and then go to the URL, then save it. Take note of the local path. This is where it's going to copy on your local machine. Then press clone. Okay, now that you have GitHub Desktop and a copy of the files to your local machine, let's try to install a plugin called All-in-One WP Migration. So we need to download this file. Okay, then go to your downloads folder, copy the files, and then navigate to your local files to your local machine. For me, it's in GitHub and folder epay. So go to WP content and then plugins. So you can save the file here. So if you have an existing folder, you can delete the old file. So then open the file, zip file. Okay, then we can delete the zip file. Okay, so to reflect the changes, the GitHub Desktop will detect the changes, and we can just add some commit or a message or a comment to remind us what are the changes that has been made. So for now, it is install a plugin all-in-one WP migration. Then commit to live. Then push the changes to the origin or into the GitHub repository. So as you can see, I have now installed. We just need to refresh. There, as you can see, there are now changes. Install a plugin all-in-one WP migration 27 seconds ago. Okay, to reflect the changes to the website, we need to connect to the two servers using SSH. So we can connect it using SSH-I. This ssh epaycoach.pem is a key file, so we don't need to add in the password. Ubuntu is the user, and this is the server 1. Then navigate to the cd var www.host/epay.com/http docs, and then git pull, then request a git pull here. Okay. Then we need to do the same to the other server, the second server. So SSH to another server. This is the new IP address of this is the other IP address of the second server. Okay, connect it, and the same thing. Navigate it to var slash www/host/epay.com/http docs, and then request a git pull. So refresh the epay plugins. So as you can see now, all-in-one WP migration has now been installed. Okay, however, in Tribe products like Tribe Architect, Tribe Leads, and Tribe Themes, it's a little bit different because they do not have a download page. So what we're going to do is open up a new website, like for example socialcrawlytics.com, and then you can update the plugins here. Once it has been updated, you need to open a new tab and go to its cPanel. Okay, so I can share you the username and password here via LastPass. All you have to do is just ask, and then alright, so go to File Manager, and then go to Public HTML, WP Content, then Plugins, then go to the plugin and compress. So tribeleads.zip. I'd like to add the version, so for monitoring purposes 2.8.2, then compress file. Just refresh, reload. There. So you can now able to download this, and then once downloaded, you can copy it to your local files, push the changes to the GitHub repository, and then request or connect to the two servers, and then request a git pull. That's it. Yeah. So because of all this, as for me, I want to show you how I do it. As for me, because of all the things that needs to be doing, that needs to type, I created a program, simple program that can help me do all these things. So yeah, this is the program. All I have to do is just pick the plugin, the theme, and then paste here the file name. Then once submit, the program automatically do all the things that I've shown you. So that's it. If you have any questions, just message. Thanks.